Apple salad is a great way to add a traditional fruit like heart-dried cranberries to your diet. Apples are linked to a lower risk of heart disease because of their high soluble fiber content. Leave the skin on for even more fiber. The beautiful colors of the skin may lower blood pressure and reduce risk for type 2 diabetes. To make delicious apple salad, first gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large tart apples, washed, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 ribs of celery, washed, 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of walnuts or pecans, a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, or raisins, or dried cherries, or you can mix them all together. A 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup or maple sugar. Always start by washing your hands. Wash the apples, core and dice the apples into bite-sized pieces and place in a bowl. Sprinkle with lemon juice and toss gently to coat all pieces with the lemon juice. Wash the celery and slice thin. Chop the nuts into small pieces. Add celery, nuts, and dried fruit to the bowl with apples and mix well. Mix the yogurt with cinnamon and maple syrup or sugar in a small bowl. Pour over the apple mixture and toss together gently. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!